Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'll be sharing how I have prepared green peas, fresh green peas for freezing and an instant breakfast recipe, green peas idli. It's so soft and delicious, and also a simple chutney made with coconut. And to make the idlis, we'll first take 1 cup of fresh green peas, and into this we'll add some coriander leaves, 2 chilies, and a small piece of ginger. Now we'll grind this coarsely. Take it into a bowl, and into this we'll add 1 cup of curd and 1 cup of regular suji or rava. Mix it well. The mix should not be very thick or very loose. Just add enough water to bring it to this consistency. And now we'll keep this aside to rest for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, for a tempering, we'll take 1 teaspoon of oil. Into that, mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of urad dal and 1 teaspoon of chana dal. Add salt into the batter. Mix it well. If you feel that water is required, just add a little water to adjust the consistency. Add some curry leaves, and we'll pour this into the batter. Just mix it, and finally we'll add half teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of water to mix the baking soda, and we'll just mix it into the batter. And now the batter is ready to make idlis. Here I have taken the idli stand and I have greased it. Now we'll pour the idli batter into the idli stand. Now we'll keep it in the vessel with the boiling water, and now we'll steam this for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll make the chutney. Here I have taken coconut grated, and into that 2 cloves of garlic, some pudina leaves and 1 green chilli and some fried gram, salt to taste. Add some water and we'll grind this into a paste. Now for the tempering, I have taken oil, mustard seeds and some curry leaves and the chili and red chili, and a delicious chutney is also ready. The idlis are nicely steamed. Yeah, so it is ready. So we'll take it we'll switch off the flame and allow it to cool down a little. We should remove the idli from the idli plate only after it is cooled down, so that it will be perfect. Otherwise it might stick to the spoon and to the plate. So this is how it will be. It's nice and soft. A very delicious breakfast. Please do try the recipe. Now I have this fresh green peas, so I thought of freezing it. So I'm just peeling the green peas. It was nearly 1 3/4 kg. By the time I peeled it, it was late, so I just kept it in the fridge, and next day morning I started the procedure for freezing it. Here I have kept water to boil. Into this 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar I have added. Into the boiling water I have added washed green peas. Now I'll look at the clock and allow it to be in this water for just 2 minutes. After 2 minutes we'll drain it. Immediately we'll transfer this green peas into ice cold water. This is to arrest the cooking of the green peas any further. And now we'll allow the green peas to be in cold water till it becomes nice and cold. Once it is well cooled down, we'll transfer this into a strainer. Green peas, once processed like this and stored, will stay good for almost a year. Now we'll pack this in Ziploc bags. Now we'll remove the air and seal it properly. Now it's ready to go into the freezer, and it will stay good for almost a year. Thank you for watching. Bye.